Now, one of the most exquisite ballads ever written. Berkeley Square is a large, leafy square in London, England. Its streetlights stimulate its bird population to sing luxurious songs and create spot-on harmonies, just as our next ensemble does so powerfully and poignantly. Please welcome our songbirds, Eddie Anderson, Karen Barker, Robin Huntington, Terry Lee, and Susan Weinberg.
There was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly smile at me. A nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Ooh. A moon that lingered over London town. Oh, puzzled moon, he wore a frown. Oh, how could he know we two were so in love? The whole wide world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. Said goodbye. A nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. A nightingale sang. A nightingale sang. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodbye, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. A nightingale sang in Berkeley Square.
Eddie Anderson, Karen Barker, Robin Huntington, Terry Lee, and Susan Weinberg.